Okay, I've decided to make a 3C kit, right? Because the because I've always said I can survive on one 3Cs. Um, okay, so I got the ones that you can use in the microwave. Okay, yeah, those are gonna be good, right? I got the pain relief. Since I can only have this, so it's acetaminophen, Tylenol, and I bought a night one for this too. Then I got two pack of lighters, the Bob Marley lighters. You know, honestly, like, I'm gonna try to have this in my pocket too. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna carry at least one or two of these because these are if I don't have time to switch my mouth. I'm in a survival situation. I've been using this anyway. I'm probably gonna use one of them anyway. I don't, yeah, I got three of them. But dear God, I like these. You don't buy these? So shoot, I might as well. And of course, you know exactly what my knives are. You know exactly what they are. You know exactly what they are. Kevin Knives. If you've watched the channel for any length of time, you'll know Hero knives are my favorite knife. As you see, these are full tang. Yeah. Also, because I do eat, I probably should put these in my pocket. By the way, but I don't know. I eat tuna. Actually, in fact, that was all I had. Like fish is all I had yesterday because I didn't feel like cooking. To be honest, let's go. I didn't feel like cooking. To be honest. So, got me. I'm gonna pick a couple of these, like at least, like each I can at least eat for once a day. So yeah, you will not fall. You will not freaking fall. So yeah, technically for lemon pepper, I bought four, but one is the Marina Azul, three of them, and the tuna creations on pepper. Then the rest are pretty much I got out of these. Yeah, the chunky light tuna, regular. You know, something small to eat that can easily just if I was in a file situation. You know, I will put a fork like a spoon. I'll put like a spoon in the thing. So yeah, let me get the. Cause there's a reason I can work with three C's. For one, knives can make they can make spears. They can make arrows. Cause our ancestors that's what they did. Just let's get one just to okay. Of course I'm gonna be right. Ah, if I can't then I'll just whatever. Small thing first. The combustion. There was one is none. Um, yeah. Then we're gonna get. Actually, you know what I should do? This makes sense though. This makes sense just to do this. To open this and just put it into. You can buy it. Because I do take two at a time either way. Because you know, I'm gonna put. I'm only putting three in here. Then I'll put a little bottle in here. I think it's a small bottle for me. Um, the knives. Actually, knives can be used to eat with too. So, bam. Right? One's gonna be for making stuff, one's gonna be for like food and all that. Okay. You're not gonna use. I can get in here. Oh, I think you can get in here. Uh, I'm putting two in here because you know, it's I got really weight or whatever for now. They should be able to fit my whole pocket. It's literally like this, but I can fit them in a pocket. Hold on. Then I'm gonna get a few of these for the container, right? Let's just get a handful. Yeah, about five should do. This. This is the minimal I'm gonna be eating with me. Because I know I want some tuna. I'm gonna put two of the Chunky Light, this, and then like, okay, one, two, three, four, five. Five should do, right? And we have ourselves a little kit. I like putting a little bit of food, anything. Also, I was thinking about if I, the first day I was homeless and I wanted to see how much I had only like a couple bucks of food, what would I do? Right, so yeah. These are five. You can actually, okay, so what you can do is with these, okay, let me get the one that, I usually have gear with me, so it's like, it's, I have the extras with me. So yeah, here we go. With a small little spice. Do you see it? What you do, you say you have water, right? You just hold it above a fire to where the heat is still going, but not directly on the fire. And that's how you can boil water. Yeah. I'm gonna use this for something anyway, so yeah. So yeah, I have. I was thinking about wanting. I wanted to, you know, like, if I didn't want to. Okay. Oh, by the way, I will tell you now. To get out of the way. This is intense. Holy God. Beware. Intense. What you do is this. You click it like that, right? Then you just, and yeah, it is intense. While you like this, okay. Uh, yeah. So I have a little bit of here now. And I got me a little kit. I do carry some like Grim Workshop stuff. I have my Grim Workshop wallet with some stuff on that. So that is also a kit. You know, this is it. This is a in case I need it type thing. Actually, you know what? No. You know what? No. For the tuna. I'm only gonna do two and two. Does that make sense? If you have like a pocket like I usually do, bam. Or you can just carry it with you and it's all good. So yeah, I have some different C's. I do have this for my flashlight. I always carry this for my flashlight. This is the Ozark Troward. These cheap ones like this, that are rebranded to anything, they're really good, actually. Surprisingly. I also have my neck knife kit with, as I usually carry with me, which is behind the laptop. So yeah, so either way, I'm good. Either way, I that the food is just in case I can't catch or hunt anything, honestly. So yeah. Anyway, that's my 3C kit that I'm gonna be carrying. I am gonna carry it. I usually have a small knife with me either way. Little pocket knife, little the one that's out there, one that I actually put on the chair. I also can put some silverware from my igloo bag into here. Perfect, right? So yeah, I can also make silverware from the knife because I can do some bushcraft stuff. So yeah. Anyway, oh, this is even long. Yeah. Anyway, I will be carrying this, and what I will be doing is I will be testing this also. Okay. Um, I want to use a sheath for this. I'm gonna make sheaths for both these knives. We'll find some. Actually, anyway, it's been Postbox Survival. Hope you survived the wasteland, and being crazy enough to only carry 3Cs. Anyway, oh, I forgot. Cutting spears. So you can do fishing, knife to de-scale, and combustion to cook over a fire. So you have, yeah, so you can hunt, prepare, both close over fire, and you have food. And that's, you know, anyway, it's been Postbox Survival. Hope you survive in the wasteland. Have a God bless. And, yeah, have a good evening.